Welcome to this video on understanding logistic regression for data mining. In this session, we will explore how logistic regression works and how it can be used to solve classification problems. To begin, here's what we'll cover in this video. First, we'll define logistic regression and its core components. Next, we'll learn how to interpret the intercepts, slopes, log odds, and odds ratio in a logistic regression model. Then, we'll discuss how to predict probabilities and classify outcomes using fitted models. We'll also take a look at the logistic function and its S-shaped curve. Finally, we'll see how to implement logistic regression in Python using scikit-learn. Stick around for a summary at the end to tie everything together. Logistic regression is a predictive model that estimates the probability of an outcome belonging to a binary category, such as true or false, success or failure. The model uses an equation that produces a sigmoid or S-shaped curve to represent probabilities. The intercept determines the baseline probability when the input is 0, while the slope determines how steeply the curve changes as the input feature increases. When interpreting logistic regression, the intercept represents the baseline log odds of success when all input features are 0. The slope tells us how much the log odds change with a 1-unit increase in the input feature. We can calculate the odds by dividing the probability of success by the probability of failure. And the log odds is simply the natural logarithm of this value. Logistic regression is particularly useful for predicting and classifying outcomes. For example, it can classify tumors as malignant or benign based on features like radius mean. By setting a cutoff value, such as 0.5, the model can assign a probability to each observation and then classify it into one of two categories. This makes logistic regression a powerful tool for binary classification tasks. Now, let's talk about implementing logistic regression in Python. Using the scikit-learn library, we can easily fit a logistic regression model, predict probabilities, and classify outcomes. The code snippet on this slide shows how to load data, fit the model, and make predictions. While I won't read through the code in detail, it demonstrates the use of methods like fit, predict_proba, and predict to work with logistic regression models. To summarize, logistic regression is a fundamental tool for predicting probabilities and classifying binary outcomes. Key components include the intercept, slope, log odds, and odds ratio, all of which help us interpret the model. Predictions are made using the logistic function, and a cutoff is applied to classify outcomes. Python's scikit-learn library makes implementing logistic regression straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.